What's up everybody, welcome to my video. In this video you're going to learn 5 ways to make money on YouTube in Kenya without using Google Adsense. So if you're ready, let's get right into it. So the methods we're looking at in this video include consultation services, YouTube sponsorship, affiliate marketing, marketing your public speaking skills, and number 5, selling your digital products online. First way to make money on YouTube in Kenya without using Google AdSense is through consultation services. So right here, you're going to have to show value to your viewers. You have to carve a niche for yourself. A niche means you have to have a sphere of influence, an area that you feel most conversant with. You have to learn everything about that area and become a master at it and start creating content around this area. Making videos about it, probably posting about it on Instagram and on Facebook, and linking your accounts to YouTube as well. And it helps if you've got a website. So after some time, people are gonna realize that this guy right here or this gal right here has a lot of content around this sphere of influence, and probably they must be knowing what they're talking about. And that's how people are gonna start, commenting and reaching out to you in the comment section. But it helps if you've got a website to send your people to, and that's how you can start charging people for the advice you give them through consultation services on YouTube. Alright, so number 2, the next method is through sponsors on YouTube, and I'm not talking about this type of sponsor here. Actually, what YouTube sponsorship means is brands and companies that identify your YouTube channel, and they use you and the content you're creating to reach out to their people or prospects. All right, so for instance, let's say you're making videos about technology related stuff. Possibly you're doing reviews on phones, you're doing reviews on tablets, you're doing reviews on computers and things like that. You might get approached by certain phone companies, and they might want you to talk about their phones in your videos. So that's just one example. You could possibly, if you have a travel vlog, you might get approached by certain hotels or certain tour companies, and they would sponsor your videos. They'll pay you money, and this often doesn't necessarily come as cash. Sometimes it comes as they might give you free gifts, but it's all about knowing your worth and how much you're willing to take from these companies or brands. So that's method number 2. Affiliate marketing is our method number 3 of how you can use YouTube to make money online without using Google AdSense. So this one's pretty direct also. Basically, you're promoting other people's products and or services. You don't need your own product, you don't need your own service, and it's really easy to do. It's one of the best ways to make money online because it's low cost. You don't have to have money to start a website, although having a website is necessary if this is something you're wishing to scale up. But you can start really easily. I have a video that's coming up about affiliate marketing, and also there's an opportunity that you can start today with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to leave a link to that in the description box, as well as a card up in the top right corner so that you can check out that video. And it's all about promotion of other people's products or services, and you get paid to do that. As an affiliate marketer, you get a link that shows you are the one who promoted the product. So it's basically that simple. Public speaking is another great way that you can make money. Now, how does this work with YouTube? YouTube essentially is a platform. You have to view it as a platform. You're not going to get paid per se to speak to people on YouTube unless someone sponsors you to do that. But what I'm talking about here is you could use YouTube as a platform to market your public speaking skills. So if you know you're articulate, and if you know that you could put together your ideas and thoughts in a speech or in a method that can move people and in a method that can make people resonate with the things that you want to talk about, then you could use YouTube as a platform to set yourself up for public speaking gigs that are out there. And this works really great. There's several people that are doing this. So if you love doing that, go for it. Digital products. That's the next thing we're looking at in our video. Now, this is a great way to make passive income. If you want to make good money while you sleep, this is it right here. Passive income is simply creating a method of getting cash without necessarily having to work actively to make that money. For example, if you make a YouTube video in which you're promoting a tutorial or an ebook that you already wrote once, the YouTube video is going to be online forever. And you'll be making money from interested parties that watch your YouTube video for as long as the video is online. So this is a method I really love. And I have a couple of tutorials that I'm going to be launching pretty soon. There's 2 that I've launched already on my website, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below, and you can check them out and what they're all about. But basically, if you're selling digital products, YouTube is a great way to leverage the traffic that you get from your videos and sending that traffic to your website. But if you don't have a website, guys, there's still other ways that you can use, or there's still other platforms that you could use to host your digital downloads, particularly if you're selling ebooks, tutorials, music, and other downloadable products as well. So I'll be talking about the different platforms that you can use in a video different from this one. But basically that's it when it comes to selling digital products. And it's a really great method of making money online, especially in 2019, because it's the information era and people are looking for various ways to do stuff. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Those are 5 ways you can use to make money online in Kenya using YouTube without Google AdSense. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also leave a comment in the description box with any suggestions on videos you want to see in future.